Hello, my name is Najib Fahre. I have 16 years and I'm studying in Emil Friedman School in Caracas, Venezuela. I also belong to the swim team and I play the violin in the orchestra from a very young age. I have had the opportunity to share with special athletes in my country, organized by my school, where I discovered the great potential of these athletes in sporting and artistic events, and also the wrong thoughts that we had of them. What motivated me to start my project, Special Athlete Unique Companion. In it, I propose to develop various sports activities among athletes with intellectual disabilities and young students, with lectures and experimental sessions looking for the integration of these groups. For me, being part of this summit is very important because this will allow me to work according to unite the generations and leave behind aspects that differentiate us from being a disabled person and a person without this. Improving the skills that we all have and that we should make to create a better world.